So I don't have much battery, but it's my birthday. Here at this spot over here. I like flying that. Man, that sucks that I don't have that much battery. I really thought I had some more. Did I have a pack of charger? I don't think I did. Nope. Charger's at home. Whatever. Alright guys. So yeah, it's my birthday. Gonna fly this building. I'm loving the Crossfire. It does this weird thing though, where it only says I have 10 RSSI in my goggles. So I don't really know what's up with that. I'm pretty sure that's more than that. I took it pretty far, but well, this should be fun. Famous last words, right? No. This is gonna be good. I'm not gonna crash. Yeah, that's it. That's all it's doing. The Tango's awesome. The rapid fire is sick. Like everything's just been good. It's been working out. Shakes. I got the freaking shakes. I don't know why that happened. We're gonna work through it though. Bye guys, I really appreciate you being here. Hit the subscribe button for more drone vloggy type, you know, whatever this is between us. More of that if you hit the sub button. Me and my wife are gonna do some scooter adventures. That's the plan anyways. Yeah. All right. Peace.
Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Do you never ever leave me beside